Hey guys, a little interjection here. This video is actually going to be a collaboration with Connor from The Closet by Connor, because did I influence him? Did he influence me? In any case, I bought my faurelepage bag. Then he said he wanted to buy a faurelepage bag, and the reason that I bought a faurelepage bag is because he loves faurelepage. Anyway, let's just say it was a dual influence purchase. We thought it would be great, given that we are both unboxing our bags in videos, that we collaborate and release our videos together. So after you watch my video, go and watch Connor's video. This unboxing also, what am I trying to say? Launches the day after Mel in Melbourne's faurelepage event that is going to be on Saturday the 14th of May in Melbourne. So I'm sure she will have a video coming up too, which you should go and watch if you want to learn more about this fabulous French brand. Okay, over to the video. Woo! Welcome to you, my name's Dale and this is DaylesAddiction. I need to fess up here and say, this video I'm sharing my first purchase from faurelepage, but this purchase happened quite a while ago and it actually happened when I was in Melbourne, kind of the third week of April, and you're probably going to see this sometime later. And that's just because I'm spacing out a few bits and pieces and I've got some videos already filmed and I just need to get them out. And there's, you know, some things that are kind of urgent that need to come first. So you're just going to have to be okay with the fact that I've kept this from you. Okay? But I hope that you will still enjoy this unboxing nonetheless. So I tried to do this unboxing in my hotel room and it was an epic fail. The lighting was bad, the sound was bad, and so I have repackaged it all up. I don't have the shopping bag anymore, and I did I take a photo of it? I think I have a photo of the shopping bag, so I can pop in here and show you how beautifully packaged this was. I've done my best to recreate the experience because I had to disassemble it all so that I could bring it back with me in my suitcase, and I think I've done a pretty good job. The box has just got a couple of little dents in it, but it was so beautifully wrapped it wasn't funny. So this is my best attempt at giving credit to the wonderful Kaz from faurelepage in Melbourne, who was just the most wonderful woman. Anyway, I will get in and show you what I picked. This was unexpected. I didn't have anything on my wish list. I actually arrived early to the meetup that I did in Melbourne with some of you wonderful people. Heidi, Nadia, Bessie and Tanya were so wonderful to come and meet me in Melbourne. We caught up for a drink and some lunch, and then I arrived early. So I walked up around the corner and thought I'd have a little look in faurelepage. I walked inside. It didn't take me very long to find something that I loved. I tried it on, I walked away, I tried it on again, I walked away, and then I thought, I'm going to take it. So let's get into it, shall we? Because it's already been 2 minutes and 45 seconds and I haven't opened it yet. So what I love about this packaging is the double ribbon. So 2 different pieces of ribbon. And they do have a bunch of different colours. I don't know if the colours symbolise different things for different products or if it's just like a random selection of the ribbon that they choose for your package, but still makes it really lovely. So faurelepage, established in Paris in 1717, and Kaz was telling me that 7 is a really lucky number, so they do have a lot of 7 charms available in faurelepage. Now check out the detail. I don't know if you can see it here on this tissue paper. We've got the little I think it's Sir Arthur the Knight, but if you look at the light coming through this, look how beautiful that tissue paper is. It's got their kind of coat of arms, which is really, really, really lovely. Let me get you some proper ASMR. And it's beautiful quality. Like, it's just, their packaging is just stunning. Now inside we have our dust bag on top, and I just can't tell you how blown away I was by the quality. And let me just show you what I got. So I'm going to remove the dust bag, and you can see inside here I have the Calibre 21 bag. Now let me just stuffing in here as well. Look at that. Like, really impressive. This is what happens when I've already seen something. You don't get my raw response. But this little bag I saw on the shelf in green, and I just went, that is so cool, because I've looked at faurelepage bags online, and I love this Calibre range, which is a reference to the origins of the house, which is as gunsmiths. And I don't believe that they do gunsmithing anymore, but they still reference their history, particularly in all of their marketing now. And they particularly talk about the call to arms and weapons of seduction, which I think is pretty cool and sexy for a really old French house to be reinventing themselves in a really cool way. So this little bag caught me because look at it. Like, I immediately saw that and went, this is an evening bag for me, for a couple of reasons. It's so unexpected, you know, like you could carry that around. It's made of black leather and their very famous heritage canvas, which is screen printed. This is a little slip pocket here, but I doubt you would really put anything in it. You could probably put a little card like down this side here, and you can see that the canvas goes all the way underneath the bag, and there is a slip pocket in the back which is lined in fabric. But then under here there is also canvas, and Tanya pointed that out to me when she had a look at the bag in store when we went to pick it up. But here's the cool part. It has this great hidden shoulder or crossbody strap with this lovely pale, like champagne gold chain, which I kind of like just like this. But what really drew me to this bag was the fact that you can take this out at night, and it looks like it should, like it looks like you're holding a little gun. And I think that's fun. Like, not in a weird way. I just think it's a fun little novel approach. Now, under this very large flap, which goes right to the bottom here, you've got a magnetic closure. Again, you uncover this beautiful canvas. This is in the greys, the steel grey canvas. Again, I didn't want a full black bag, but the reason I just saw it and went, that is a cool evening bag. I don't know why, I just did. Now inside, I'll pull the chain out, and I've got a tag in here. It just says faurelepage, Calibre 21, and inside it is just fabric lined, and it says faurelepage Paris. This literally took me unawares, and it's a different bag for me, but it's not, because it's fun. And it's actually not finished yet. And when I showed Heidi and Tanya when they came to pick it up, they were just like, that is so cool. So, see this little D-ring here? All of the faurelepage bags can be customized in some way, whether you want to add your initial or a lucky charm. Well, of course I had to buy into that. So I have this other little box here. And I actually took my, I was influenced by what was on the green bag that was in store that I tried on before I asked for it in the black. And this one is Sir Arthur and his little tassel. And here, I just realised I said Sir Arthur and his little tassel. Sorry about that. If you look at how significant this hardware is, like, that is a significant piece of hardware there. And I've picked up on the colours in the canvas. So I've gone with the greys with the yellow underneath. And I did that for a couple of reasons, because what I really wanted to do is keep it undone. if you know my channel and my style by now, I like done but undone, and I thought this very structured little bag is very done, except for the fact that it's got a little calibre motif, and now it's got this little knight, which also lends itself, you know, to the history of the brand. And he's kind of hanging out on the side there. So I sneakily wore it to breakfast at the hotel just because I wasn't going out anywhere and I thought I could. And I'll insert the mod shot of me wearing it over here so that you can see it. And what I love about this photo is that it's so cute. It's like this little gun is just like peeking out from the side of me. I'm wearing it crossbody there so you can see how it drops. But it is a bit long for shoulder for me, but I'm not going to do mod shots in this video today. But yeah, you can see how low it falls crossbody, so it sits probably below the hip, and I am 5'5" if I wear it just on the shoulder. But I really like the look of it handheld as an evening bag. I think it's just something extra. It's really edgy. I will link the detail of the product in the description box below, but I couldn't walk away from it. And the boutique experience was really fantastic. I won't lie, I've been on the website a bunch of times, especially when I knew Connor was going down to do a vlog at faurelepage for his birthday. I thought, oh, I might be able to get him to pick something up for me when he's down there, but I have to say it's very difficult to find something online, because until you've actually touched this and seen the quality with your own eyes, I don't think you get it. I don't think the websites and Instagram do the brand any favors. I think you've got to go in. So if you get a chance to go into faurelepage, do it, and yeah, I don't think you'll regret it. So this is the calibre 21. I'm just going to show you what fits inside, because it does look a roomy bag, but it is only quite small. And I haven't really tried to fit much in it yet, because as I said, I was just in the hotel, so I just took my phone and my key card. But here I've got an iPhone 11 Pro Max. Now there is a slip on the back, the slip pocket. I'm going to try and, yeah, that's not going to work. It's well, I can squeeze it in, but you can kind of see that the bag is a little bit malformed on the top. So I don't think you're going to be able to put a phone in this big slip pocket, which is a little bit of a con, I suppose, because it's such a big pocket there. You'd want to be able to put your phone in it. But anyway, we carry on. So I've got my phone in there, 11 Pro Max. I've got a compact wallet, so this is my Bottega compact wallet, and I'm putting that up beside it. I've got my Louis Vuitton 6-ring key holder, and I'll put that standing up beside the phone as well. I have got my Apple AirPod Pros. Oh, things are getting tight. And a Dior lip glow. Okay, it is kind of compact. Kind of compact. That's everything. So that's a little bit Tetrisy. Potentially, we might swap out the compact wallet for a card holder. So this is my Chanel card holder. Oh yes, that's going to make things a lot better. And I'll put the lipstick back in, and everything fits really nicely like that. And I can still fit my car fob, which I will. So I've got a car fob here, so I can still fit that down the side. And you could probably fit another lip product in here if you wanted to. Can I fit a pair of sunglasses in a soft case on top? Maybe. I mean, if you wanted to, you probably could. Yes, you can. But that is capacity. And that's pretty impressive, actually. I can't believe those sunglasses fit. So that you can see they're just sitting over the top. But there must be like a little loop. Yeah, there is a little loop where the flap just loops over the top. So it's not absolutely flush with the top of the bag. So that's quite a lot to fit in. So, yeah, swap out of your compact wallet and pop in a card holder. And you can carry a significant amount in this bag if you need to. It actually says on the faurelepage website it's an ideal size for day to evening. It does come in a bigger size than this one. Room for all your essentials, very versatile. It can be carried by the finely detailed top handle over the shoulder or worn crossbody on its long sliding chain. It has quick access to personal belongings thanks to the back pocket. So I am going to say this back pocket, maybe it will stretch in time because it is leather, but I have to say it's not, at the moment anyway, it's not really, like if you had the bag packed like that and did put things in the back pocket as well, I think you could really damage the structure of the bag, but I might be wrong. So once I've worn this a little bit more and let it kind of soften up a bit, I'll come back to you with a review. But yeah, I see this as an evening bag. I think it's super cool. I'm really, really happy with it. Tell me what you think, because I was not planning on buying anything in Melbourne at all. So yeah, I fell prey to the faurelepage, but like the details, everything, it's so beautiful and very contemporary. So I'm going to stop babbling on and say the usual. If you've liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. I put out videos on Wednesdays and Sundays, so I will see you in my next one. Bye!